Lesson 5A, Story Time. Lesson 5B, Values. Bonnie, Bonnie. Woody, Woody. Peace, Peace. Dolly, Dolly. It's on that, it's on that. Where is the P? Where is the P? It's on the bookcase. It's on the bookcase. Where is the P? Where is the P? It's on the rug. It's on the rug. Where is the P? Where is the P? It's on the picture. It's on the picture. Where is Woody? Where is Woody? It's on the bed. It's on the bed. I can help. I can help. My mom. My mom. My brother. My brother. My friends. My friends. My dad. My dad. My teacher. My teacher. I can help. I can help. I can help my mom. I can help my mom. I can help my brother. I can help my brother. I can help my friends. I can help my friends. I can help my dad. I can help my dad. I can help my teacher. I can help my teacher.